Congratulations on winning favorite couple.
Hell no, to the no, no, no.
That is the scariest fucking thing I ever saw in my whole life. I'm serious. Is it real? Is it real? Is it real? Yeah.
That means you, Riley. I choose you. And I really want you to choose me.
I do know how to process that because my entire life had been waiting for this moment.